Hello, Internet. This video is going to be about the trademark classification system and how it's kind of antiquated. We're going to discuss whalebone, we're going to discuss corsets, and how this all relates to the Kardashian. I hope you find it useful. This presentation is going to be about whalebone and corsets and the trademark system. In other presentations and other YouTube videos that I've made, we've discussed the International Trademark Classification System. There are 45 total classes, 35 of the classes are in goods, and 10 of the classes are in services. And the reason I'm coming here is to show you how antiquated our class system is and how difficult it is to understand what to do, where to properly classify something, and even attorneys struggle with this, and even to some extent trademark examiners struggle with this. I refer to this word right here, whalebone, which in the 1870s, when this class system was originally formulated, whalebone was a material that was very popular, very high value raw material for making corsets for women, which were a very popular fashion item and are coming back now in 2019. We'll use an example right here. For whatever reason, the Kardashian family is making good money on millions of things. They're very successful entrepreneurs, but one of them is what they call waist trainers, or another word for it would be corset. And they're not necessarily made out of whalebone, but they are made out of materials that shape and sculpt certain portions of the rib cage and the interior of the human body, spine, etc. Here's another example of Kim Kardashian in a corset. And there's going to be a picture that was very famous and very widely distributed over the internet in May of 2019. I'm going down looking for it. This one became an extremely popular meme, an internet meme of Kim in this painfully tight corset. And the reason I'm bringing that up is mainly 2 points. One, the Kardashians are extremely skillful, knowledgeable, and intelligent about branding. And two, in case you didn't even know what a corset was, this is what they are and is what they do. Now let's move it back to the international trademark system. Whalebone and to some extent ivory and some other things were used as a mechanism for forming corsets. And so at that time, because that was a big portion of commerce in the 1870s, the Gilded Age time frame, that they distributed this class system, making 15 for printed goods and printed matter, and 17 for rubber goods, 18 for leather goods, and 20 for furniture and other articles otherwise not classified. And they included whalebone because it had such commercial significance. It really doesn't now. And those corsets worn by the Kardashian family aren't made from whalebone. But it's strange. United States, very sophisticated and intelligent commercial mechanisms, has never really bothered to update the trademark classifications. Let's look, for example, here at Class 9, Electrical and Scientific Apparatus. Cash registers, calculating machines, data processing equipment, and computers. That's the sole mention of computing devices in the entire trademark classification database. What that should tell you, what everyone should learn from this, is that the trademark class system is very, very antiquated and in need of an update. The US trademark system is actually the most respected one in the world, and getting a US trademark has actual significance commercially and is an important asset for a young aspiring inventor and entrepreneur. File for trademarks, get your registrations, make them an asset of your LLC. Use them. Use our trademark system, including filing yourself. You don't need an attorney. But what you also need to realize is the one part where there is a bit of a legacy problem, an antiquated problem, is in when you have to designate what class to file in, because our trademark classification system just doesn't make any sense. And the second theme of this particular video is that the Kardashian family are extremely skillful at branding and have literally hundreds of trademark registrations all over the world, might even be up to thousands. And they're very intelligent about their use of this trademark system. That'll be a separate video. But in this video, I just wanted to show the use of an antiquated and ancient fashion item known as a corset, which were at the time made from whalebone. So I'm trying to make a connection between antiquated practices occasionally coming back, the Kardashians' incredible skill in branding, but most of all, that the trademark classification system in the United States is organized very, very strangely. Thanks for watching. Let me know any other topics you want me to discuss. This YouTube channel is to help you. This is for information. I want to hear from you and I want to know what things are on your mind.